Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of the XAF Blazor series. Let's talk about creating a list editor that display CardView. A few XAFers have requests for that and some of them think that this should be out of the box, but I don't think so. I think that there are too many type of cards and too many designs and too many considerations that you cannot please everyone, so this should be something that the developer should take care of it. So let's see a really simple implementation to see how it's done and we go from there. Okay, let's go to our project. So we have this XAF ListEditor project, and pretty much let's see what we have here. So we have a business object called domain object one that pretty much is just a name and a country, and then we have the card view that we want to show in a separate project that pretty much is just a table that will iterate through the list editor data source and pretty much we create a row with the name and the country and a event handle that when they click the row we send the item and we just open the detail view. So with that one, let's check pretty much we have in our module.blazor or list editor that is inheriting from the grid list editor and it will be for the type of domain object one. We're gonna put true, so it's always domain object one will show like that. And pretty much here we are using the card view that we saw in our components creator and we're gonna pass that grid list editor. So that's why in our card view when we are instantiated we assign the internal grid list to that list editor that is being passed, and with that one we will have then our data source available and we can iterate through those. So quick few things that we can see here. We have our components in a separate class library, that way we can have as many components as you want, and because we cannot reference directly from our agnostic model to the components and there to the model.blazor, we pretty much have another project that is contract, that is just the interface with the property that we need. For example, if we go again to our domain object one, is doing implementing that interface with those two properties. But let's say that we have 10 and we only need two that is going to be shown that card view. We only put those two, and then this project has a reference to that my contract. So again, contracts for the properties that we need for the business object, component of Razor, and then our table list editor that use that card view to create the render fragment that we need. In 20.2.4, this is a 20.3, this is a 20.2.3 project, and I use this one and not the other one that we have been using in all the other videos, exactly because this is in 2.2.3. In 20.2.4, this won't work, but we already put a ticket and they will have that fixed for 20.2.5. So let's now just run our application and see the result. If we see here, we just have a table that is iterating for every item in the data source and creating a new row. Let's check it. Nice. If you see here, we have our H3 card view and we have there a table, and every item, it will be just a new row. And if we click, the grid list does the row click event and open the detail view. Really nice, right? The neat thing about this is that now we can put any HTML here that we want, and we can create that card view that we want. For example, let's do something, and I haven't actually done this beforehand. Let's put card view HTML, I don't know, something like that, to see if we get the maybe the bootstrap side. And maybe bootstrap. Okay, right here, car, and let's select, I don't know, anyone. We don't have a picture, or we could select this one, but let's make one that it looks okay. This one, that it will be this one. So let's select that one, go to our component, add it here. Let's comment this out, and let's take this one out because we need to still do the for each through the elements on the data source. Okay, now Let's add this inside. And let's say the card title will be item.name. The subtitle will be item.country. Let's see, item.country. And we can put here the card text will be item.name plus add item.country, and we can leave those links, it doesn't matter. So let's run it again. Nice. So if you see here now, we have a card view that is putting the name and the country, and then the name plus the country, and again card link. So the possibilities are endless. If you have a really good front-end developer that really knows his HTML, CSS, you can make this as beautiful as you imagine. Okay, that's all for this video. See you in the next one.